Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a beach ball. Let's start off with a big circle. Then, draw a smaller circle inside of it. From there, draw some lines curving out and around the ball like so. Beach balls usually have 6 segments. So to keep them even, I like to draw the one line and the opposite line, one after the other. To give it some more detail, we can shade in 3 segments with some lines like so. And finally, some wavy lines around the ball for the sandy beach with some dots for the texture. And now you've got a beach ball. Make sure to let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos. And check out these videos for more.